Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we have a very special video that will help you improve your English speaking skills. If you want to learn English, but you feel shy or afraid of making mistakes, don't worry. This video is for you. Today I will teach you a very powerful method called the shadowing technique. This method is very simple and effective. It helps you improve your English fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. So, what is the shadowing technique? It means listening to English and repeating what you hear immediately. It is like being a shadow and following the speaker's voice. You do not need to understand every word, just listen, repeat, and practice. Let me give you an example. If I say, "Hello, how are you?" You will repeat after me, "Hello, how are you?" Just like that. This technique is very helpful because 1. It improves your listening skills. 2. It makes your pronunciation better. 3. It gives you confidence to speak English. So today, we will use the shadowing technique with a real-life story. The title of the story is I Go to the Doctor. In this story, I will try to speak English at the doctor's clinic. You will listen to me and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's start. Hello, my name is Amy. I am an English student. I am learning English, but I am not perfect. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I always try my best. Today I am not feeling well. My head is hurting, and I have a cough. So I need to go to the doctor. I will try to speak in English at the clinic. Let's see what happens. You repeat after me. I am not feeling well. I have a headache. I need to see a doctor. I enter the clinic. There is a receptionist at the front desk. She looks at me and smiles. Receptionist. Hello. How can I help you? Amy. Hello, I need to see a doctor. Receptionist. Do you have an appointment? Amy. No, I don't have an appointment. Can I get one now? Receptionist. Yes, of course. Please tell me your name. Amy. My name is Amy. Receptionist. Okay, Amy. Please wait. The doctor will see you soon. You repeat after me. Do you have an appointment? No, I don't have an appointment. Can I get one now? I sit in the waiting area. There are many people. Some are coughing, some are sneezing. I feel a little nervous, but I want to speak English. Sitting next to me is an old man. He looks at me and smiles. Old man. Hello, young lady. Are you also sick? Amy. Yes, I have a headache and a cough. Old man. I have back pain. Getting old is not fun. We both laugh. Then I see a small boy sitting with his mother. He is crying loudly. His mother tries to calm him down. Mother. It's okay, dear. The doctor will just check you. No injection today. Little boy. Really? No injection? Mother. Yes, I promise. The nurse comes out and calls his name. Nurse. Tommy, come in. Tommy looks at his mother and says, Mum, you lied. Everyone in the waiting room laughs. After some time, the nurse calls my name. Nurse. Amy, please come in. Amy. Okay, thank you. I go inside the doctor's office. The doctor is sitting at his desk. He looks kind. He smiles at me. Doctor. Hello, Amy. What is the problem? Amy. Hello, doctor. I am not feeling well. I have a headache and a cough. Doctor. Okay, let me check. The doctor checks my temperature and my throat. Then he writes something on his paper. Doctor. You have a mild infection. You need some rest. I will give you some medicine. Take this medicine for 3 days. Amy. Okay, thank you, doctor. Doctor. Do you have any questions? Amy. Yes, doctor. Can I go to work tomorrow? Doctor. No, you should stay at home and rest. Amy. Okay, I understand. Thank you, doctor. You repeat after me. I have a headache. I have a cough. Do you have any questions? Can I go to work tomorrow? Now, something funny happens. As I am leaving the doctor's room, I turn around to say thank you again, but I accidentally walk into the wrong door. It is a supply closet. The doctor and nurse look surprised, and then everyone starts laughing. I feel so embarrassed, but I laugh too. Oops, wrong door. I say. The doctor smiles and says, "Don't worry, it happens." You repeat after me. "Oops, wrong door." "Don't worry, it happens." I quickly walk out and go to the pharmacy to buy my medicine. The pharmacist gives me the medicine and tells me how to take it. Pharmacist: "Take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 in the evening." Amy: "Okay, thank you." You repeat after me. "Take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 in the evening." "Okay, thank you." Before leaving, I see an old lady arguing with the receptionist. Old lady: "I came before him. Why is he going in first?" Receptionist: "Mum, he has an emergency." Old lady: "Well, I have an emergency too. My cat is not eating." Everyone in the room smiles, and I leave with a happy feeling. Now I go home and take some rest. I feel happy because I tried to speak in English. Even though I made some mistakes, I did not give up. I will keep practicing. So, friends, this was the story I Go to the Doctor. Did you enjoy it? This is how you can practice the shadowing technique. Here are some tips to improve your English. 1. Listen to English every day. 2. Repeat after native speakers. 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes. 4. Speak slowly and clearly. 5. Practice with real-life situations. 6. Use simple sentences first, then improve. 7. Have fun while learning. Remember, learning English is like a journey. You need to practice every day. You will make mistakes, but mistakes are good. They help you learn. So don't be afraid. Keep speaking, keep listening, and keep practicing. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more fun and helpful stories for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.